The bag duct system is a flexible air distribution system made of special fibers. It mainly relies on the unique wind pattern of fiber penetration and orifice jet to discharge air evenly. The fabric air duct, where are they generally used? 镇江安之盾. The bag air duct has a wide range of applications and is suitable for a variety of spaces. Because of its uniform air supply, the color can be matched with the environment, anti-condensation, easy to clean, quiet, noise reduction, lightweight, short construction period, reliable quality, energy saving, environmental protection and economy. Suntex bag air duct class. The fire rating has reached Class A. It will be applied to more fields in the future. When purchasing fabric duct materials, we must pay attention to indicators such as strength, processability, soft flexibility, flame retardant grade, air tightness, etc., because these indicators will affect the quality of your ventilation fabric ducts and flame retardant fabric ducts.